Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your HubSpot website a fresh new look, one of the easiest ways is by updating your header menu logo. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit and change the header menu logo in your HubSpot theme in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, your website will have a professional and updated appearance, so let's dive right in. Accessing your HubSpot. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to your Marketing tab, then select Website and click on Website Pages or Landing Pages, depending on where your theme is applied. From here, find the page you want to edit and click Edit. Opening the Design Manager. Next, you'll want to open the Design Manager. You can do this by clicking Marketing, then Files and Templates, and finally, Design Tools. This is where all your theme modules and settings are managed. Locating the header module. Inside the Design Manager, locate your header module. Most HubSpot themes have a header section labeled clearly, sometimes under Global Content if it's used across multiple pages. Click to open the module, and you'll see options for the logo, navigation, and styling. Editing the logo. To change the logo, click on the Logo Image field. You can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your HubSpot file manager. Make sure your new logo is high quality and optimized for the web to avoid slow loading times. Once selected, you'll see the preview update in real time. Adjusting logo size and position. Many themes allow you to adjust the logo size, alignment, and spacing within the header module. Take a moment to fine-tune these settings so your logo looks perfect on both desktop and mobile views. You can preview your changes on different devices using the preview toggle, saving and publishing changes. Once you're happy with your new logo, click Publish to make the changes live across your website. If your header is global, the updated logo will automatically appear on all pages using that header, keeping your site consistent. And that's it. You've successfully changed your header menu logo in HubSpot, giving your website a fresh, professional look in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more HubSpot tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.